You've got mail.
Yes! Yes! I'm gonna open this box so hard. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today I am recording. Why is it recording upside down? Hopefully I can fix that. But today we have an unboxing. I think what this is, but let us get to it. My unboxing knife for the day is the Kershaw Launch 10. Haven't done an unboxing in a little bit, but it's kind of fun. We got some more stuff coming in. We're excited about this stuff, right? All right. So first and foremost, this box is from Artisan Cutlery. No, I didn't come up with a deal or anything with them. I just bought something, and that's where we're at. Pretty excited about this. I think everybody was excited about this particular model. Obviously, it's a CJRB. Some of you are already going to know what this is, because there's not too many CJRB new models that are coming out that we need to see. But this one, we needed to see. We needed to get this in hand. As soon as I seen that this went live, I was like, I gotta get this. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the CJRB Tigris. Super cool. So this is a G10 overlay. And I'm not sure what this is underneath, but it feels solid. This thing's heavy. So I'm assuming this is an aluminum backspacer. A little bit of milling on the inside, which when I get to the review we'll go over. The pocket clip is not ambidextrous, and it is massive. This is a very large pocket clip, but this is a very large knife. To put that into perspective, this is your Launch 10. Like, that's the Launch 10 open. This is the Tigris closed. Ooh, yeah, this is pretty cool. So we only have three pieces of hardware, including the pocket clip, which is not recessed. If you're not going to make an ambidextrous, like, maybe you should have recessed it, but there's a lot going on with this, so to keep it, actually, this is kind of expensive, too, for CJRB. I think this model on Artisan Cutlery's website came in at, like, $70, but it's probably not going to release for that. I paid a little bit more to get my hands on it early. Once it hits like White Mountain Knives or something, it'll probably come in around 50 or something. I'm guessing. I don't know. But we have these cool little milling patterns right here. I mean, it's just overall, like, so far it's cool. I mean, there's a lot going on, right? This is kind of obnoxious the way this sticks out. I'm not quite sure why that sticks out the way it does, but whatever. And then, for the flip. Oh, okay. So, ergonomically, sound. Just gripping it like this thing feels like a tank in hand. Like, I actually like the grip on this. This feels really good. The blade is hilarious and awesome at the same time. With a giant CJRB, and even the R, like the way that they did the laser etching, I don't know if you could tell, but the R like stands out more than the others. Like, I don't know if that's on purpose. It says AR RPM 9 and a serial number. Let's see here. Serial number right there. Let's see. Liner lock and damn near fall shut. Yeah, that's cool. No back and forth. No up and... Tiny bit of up and down, actually. Not much. It's just like a slight click. Nothing too awful, but just a tiny bit. Nothing crazy. I don't think it's going to be an issue because your lockup's coming in at like 15%. I think as that lockup gets a little bit stronger, you know, it wears in a little bit more. I don't think I don't feel it right now. And you can see I keep falling off of the blade, so you can tell that I'm actually trying. This thing is actually really, really cool. It's, like I said, even though it's basic, like you got a straight line going on down here, ergonomically, this thing does feel really nice. So here's your artisan cutlery cut test. This thing freaking laser beam, guys. Look at that. Yeah, this thing's super sharp out of the box. Do a haircut test. Let's see if I can get any hair there for you. Cutting my wrists on camera. That's freaking dark. Yeah, shaving hairs like a boss. So, this is your CJRB Tigris. This is pretty freaking cool, guys. I don't have too much to say about this. This is just kind of like an unboxing, a show and tell, if you will. You guys probably won't see this for a while because I have to review a ton of other stuff. But maybe I'll push this out because this will be coming out soon. I'm not sure. But we'll see what we got to do. But first impressions, I actually really like it. I think this thing's super fun. This thing should take the place of the Krag, in my opinion. I just didn't like the Krag as much, but this is like a more refined but still badass, just giant cleaver Warncliffe wannabe style blade. So, one more. Yeah. It's got like a click. It's nothing serious. It's like a little click. It's not a back and forth. Like there's no sound like that. But it's just like if you're forcing it up and down, like I can kind of feel a slight click. I don't know if I would call that up and down blade play or if it's just waiting for the liner lock to wear in. Anyways, this is the new CJRB Tigris and AR RPM 9 seal. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great freaking day, guys. Yeah.